What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. This is your weekend motivational video for your day and for the rest of your weekend. I hope you guys are having a great Friday so far. I hope you guys have a great day on purpose. Y'all, I just got back from the gym. It is a gloomy day. It is rainy. It is cold. I don't understand what is happening with the weather right now, but I feel like winter and the cold part of spring just need to exit and make room for summer because I am so over it. I'm really over it. Today I've got my workout outfit on but a hoodie on. I am in a lot of pain. My trainers have both definitely given me a reason to rest for the weekend for sure. Yesterday was leg day, today was core. I'm shot. I'm done. I'm absolutely done. Everything hurts. I feel like I got hit by a bike. It's bad, y'all. It's bad. But anyway, I'm doing pretty good. Woke up in a pretty positive mood. I've been seeing a lot of double numbers today. Like it's really weird. Well, it's not weird because I believe in numbers, um, and its significance to certain numbers. So that just means that there are a lot of angels around me. But anyway, you guys, enough about that. A couple of things. Memberships. If you are new here and you are not a member, go over there and check that out and become a member today. Memberships are a few little perks, a few little extra special things for members only. If you don't know anything about that, I'll explain it to you. I have two levels of memberships. Level 1 is for $2.99. That's right, $2.99. And you get priority replies from me, which means that if I've got 20 comments under a video and you are a member, I will reply to you first. Special polls, so sometimes I will go on and ask my members something before I ask everyone else to kind of get my members' opinion first, whether it's about gameplay, whether it's about certain videos. Live streams, I haven't really done a lot of live streams. I try to figure out a good time for people to kind of chime in, but you guys can let me know. And I have a second level over there. Level 1 is for $4.99. That's $4.99. You get everything that level 1 has, plus you get all of my reactions to all of the shows I watch, all the movies I watch, and any uncut Try Not to Laugh. So make sure that you guys go over there and check that out. Also, currently, I am trying to finish Resident Evil 4 Remake. I believe that I have 3 chapters left. Considering that I have 3 days left of this month, I should be done with this game by Sunday. So definitely make sure that your notifications are on so you guys can get notified whenever I get ready to do a live stream, gaming live stream, so you guys can join in. I just finished chapter 13 yesterday. I want you guys to let me know, though. I know I asked you guys this I think it was last night or the night before, but I do have to finish Dead Space. So if you guys want to see me finish that right after I'm done, let me know. Unless you guys want to see me play Resident Evil 4 Remake again on hard level. This game already was hard, but not as hard as I thought it was going to be. It's pretty fun. I love it so far. But playing on hard mode, I'm pretty sure is just a bunch of craziness. So if you guys rather see me do that before I get back on Dead Space, let me know as well. But either way, it's going to be really, really fun. So definitely tune in for that. Other than that, you guys, I don't have much. I'm still currently watching Dragon Ball, which now I have been introduced to Krillin, who, from what I understand, becomes his really good friend later. So that's going to be interesting to see. So at this point right now, him and Goku are on their way to go find Master Roshi, a girl. It's getting really interesting and crazy. So definitely make sure that you guys stay tuned for the next episode of that. I've got that coming up. And of course, my reactions is always under my YouTube membership. So if you want to see my reaction to that, you have to be a member. All right. But my reviews are always for everyone. Other than that, you guys, I just want to give you guys some encouragement today. I just want to give you a little something because I've been seeing so much people stressing and a whole bunch of dramas. Listen, Get rid of what you don't need so you can make room for what you do need. Okay, that is my message for you today. No matter what it is still spring. You can consider it spring cleaning, decluttering, purging, whatever it is that you want to call it. But please make sure that you are clearing space, not only physically. I don't mean not only going around your house and cleaning and decluttering and purging things out of your home, but I also want to encourage you to do the same mentally, spiritually, emotionally. There's a lot that we carry that sometimes we don't talk about, or sometimes we don't know we're carrying a certain level of stress because we kind of push it off and deal with other things, or we get to a point where we rather busy ourselves than deal with certain things because they don't seem that big at the moment. But I promise you that if you don't deal with your stuff, if you don't deal with your mess, it will come back because it is still there. It may not be in your face, but it's just like that thing that you don't use anymore that's behind your closet, only to be found later on, years down the line. It's just taking up space. Same thing with things that are on your mind, on your heart, things that you carry with you emotionally. If you don't deal with those things, it doesn't mean that it goes away. It's still there. It's taking up space. And when those things take space, you don't have the correct space to take in all the new things that are waiting for you. Can you imagine if you're going around carrying, all this negativity, all these problems, all these stresses and things that you haven't dealt with, and you've got, it's starting to get to a point where it's becoming almost overwhelming, and you've got all of these great new things waiting for you at the door, but you don't have the room to bring them in. So they're just sitting outside of your realm, so to speak, just waiting for you to declutter all these things that you don't need. And I've been kind of going back and forth with my bestie, doing some reading and some stuff. And, on a spiritual level, we understand that there is a lot that, we deal with in life. That's worry, concern, um, stress, um, you know, a lot of thought into things that haven't happened, or, oh my God, the what ifs, and you kind of got to get to a place where you learn how to deal with what you've got going on in the moment right now. Tomorrow will have its own problems, and yesterday is long gone, So I just want to encourage you to take your time, deal with things day by day, go through a list of things that's bothering you, whether, no matter what it is, whether it's, oh my God, my closet is full of stuff, or oh my God, my mind is full of stuff, or I've got all these things on my heart that I want to let go of. Write them down, figure out how to deal with them. And if it's something that you really truly feel in your heart that you can let go of, sometimes I've had to get to a place where I had to be okay with forgiving people that never gave me apologies. And to some people, that's hard. And it was hard at first. But there's a lot of people who as a human, I feel like they owe me an apology, But in order for me to move on, like, I had to be okay with just letting that go, because that stuff will catch up to people later. You know what I mean? I have to still move forward. And so I've learned how to do that. And there are certain things that have helped me, let that go. And with letting that stuff go, I've allowed more room for growth and great things and accomplishments to happen in my life. So I just want to encourage you guys to do the same. I think, once the work week is done, the weekend is here. A lot of you, I mean, for me, I'm never off, but I do allow myself some solitude to kind of think, to meditate on the good things that have happened, to really dig deep and see where I was, where I am, where I've been, and what I've gone through. And, just to kind of give myself grace every day, and, putting myself in a space to just be grateful for where I am and thankful that I'm not where I thought I wanted to be. You know what I mean? So I just want to give you guys that encouragement. I promise you that the more you clear your space, mentally and emotionally, spiritually, and physically, if you have a messy house, go clean that too. But I promise you guys that the space that you will have available to you will make you feel so free and so willing to just embrace all the good things that you have coming to you. So I hope you guys have a great day. Leave your comments down below. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Hope you guys have a great weekend. I don't know what it's going to look like, but it doesn't look like it's going to be summerish. So enjoy it either way. Leave your comments down below. If you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel, hit like, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified whenever I pop up on your feed. I'll see you guys later. Toodles!